This is what you will do every morning before you drop off your child in school. Click on your app. Enter your username and password. Log in. Once you have logged in, you will click on the dismissal car at the bottom right. That is where you will see your student. You will hit View. You will hit Select Item from the drop-down menu and make sure you click on Health Student Survey. You will start survey. Please make sure you do a survey per child. Complete the survey. Every question must be answered. Once you've answered all of your questions, click on Complete. Survey successful. Okay. Please click on the back arrow twice, and you will see your student's name with a green briefcase and a plus sign. That proves to administration or whoever will be opening up the car door that your child's survey was completed and your child can come on campus.